up, MPC world? Salute. This is your man, Chosen One Beats, and this video series is going to be all about making beats in the MPC 5000. So this masterclass is going to cover getting into the machine, making a beat, and getting out. I made this because when I got the 5000, there was no video tutorials of, I got this machine and I just want to make a beat. Now, it can be debated which MPC sounds the punchiest, which MPC sounds the cleanest, which MPC is the hardest to use, MPC 4000. But in my humble opinion, I would say that the MPC 5000 has the most infamous history. Now, as far as that infamous history of the MPC 5000 goes, the MPC 5000 dropped in 2008. And before that, the MPC 4000 had already been out since 2002. And that thing was a beast. That thing, is feature packed. So obviously when the 5000 came out, everybody thought, this new flagship is going to be the next evolution and, be more feature packed than the MPC 4000, but it wasn't. A lot of prominent 4000 users, most noticeably Just Blaze, they blasted the 5000 when it first came out, and rightfully so, because it didn't live up to the hype of what AKAI was pushing at the time. Just Blaze, he actually wrote an article in XXL magazine and he voiced his frustrations. AKAI actually listened to producers like Just Blaze. They listened to the users in the forums. There was actually a third-party OS that was running on the MPC 2500 and the 1000 called JJOS that made those units, more feature-packed. And AKAI actually borrowed some ideas from JJOS, and they came out with the OS2 version update for the 5000 a year later in 2009. That OS, some people say, made the 5000 feature-wise on level with the 4000. Now, don't shoot the messenger. This is just what the streets were saying, at the time. So, although that OS2 update definitely made the 5000 a beast, it already had a bad rep within the producer community, and the 5000, was one of the lowest selling units that AKAI ever built. But those that know that, this unit is definitely a beast. Now, I'm not going to go over every single button and every single feature that this thing has to offer. If you want to do that, there's a video series by Sample Kings, and it's like a 3-hour long series that shows every function, every button that the 5000 has. But like I said, we're going to get in, make a beat, and then get out. Follow me on this journey of sword building, beat making. We're going to take a raw piece of steel, which is going to be our sample, and we're going to hammer it out into a blade. So we're going to chop up our sample. We're going to add drums, we're going to add bass, then we're going to polish our blade. We're going to do mixing, we're going to do effects, and we're going to export our final product, all within the MPC 5000, which is going to be our forge. You heard? Peace.